Hi, I'm Martin Lindsay from the Studying Learning Centre at RMIT University. This is a short movie on adding and subtracting negative numbers. Let's start by adding negative numbers. Here's the example, plus 2 minus 4. I've placed the number line at the bottom of the screen, 0 at the centre, numbers to the right are positive, numbers to the left are negative. So let's start with a plus 2. Plus 2 means moving 2 units to the right on the number line from 0. So now we're at positive 2. Now we have to take away 4. So starting at the 2, we move back 4 places because it's negative. Notice the answer here will be from where we started to where we finished. In other words, from 0 to negative 2. In other words, plus 2 take away 4 is equal to minus 2. Let's do another one. Minus 3 plus 6. Notice I'm starting with a negative here, so by going negative I'm moving to the left from the number line from 0. So I'm now at negative 3. Now I have to plus 6. Being a plus, I have to move to the right 6 units. So starting at negative 3, moving 6 places to the right, we end up at positive 3. So again, the answer is from where we started, which is at 0, to where we finished, which in this place is positive 3. So our answer is positive 3. So negative 3 plus 6 is positive 3. Now let's add two negative numbers, negative 1, negative 2. So because they're all negative, I'm moving to the left on the number line. Negative 1 and then negative 2. And the answer is from where we start to where we finish, which will be negative 3. So negative 1, negative 2 is equal to negative 3. Let's look at another one. Here we're starting with plus 1 minus negative 4. Notice again that the two negatives are next to each other. So when they're next to each other, we add. So this problem becomes positive 1 plus 4, which is quite a simple operation to do on the number line. Plus 1 is moving 1 place to the right. Adding 4 will be adding 4 more, giving us an answer of 5. In other words, positive 1 minus negative 4 is positive 5. Now try some questions for yourselves. The answers to these questions are on the next slide. Thank you for watching this short movie.